one good reason why you should grow sunflowers and eat them. They're high in protein. I am going to show you and walk you through how to grow them. I'm actually going to start with the sunflower seeds, and these are actually black oil sunflower seeds. This variety does come in our kit, so if you're interested in checking out our kit, check it out at barefootmicrogreens.com. But we're going to start with the seeds, and we're going to grow them in a 10 by 10 tray today, which I've already got prepped with the soil. So the first step in planting sunflower shoots is actually soaking them. So we like to soak our sunflower shoots for 2 hours before we plant them. Now that we've soaked our sunflower seeds for 2 hours, we're just gonna drain them, and I'm just using a salad spinner because that's what I had handy. And then I'm gonna go ahead and kind of just give them a nice good rinse. And so we soak the sunflower shoots for a couple reasons. So that it'll soften the seed and you can get really good germination, as well as it'll help pop those seed hulls off. So now we're gonna plant in a 10 by 10 tray, and this is about 80 grams of sunflower seeds. So I've already prepped the tray, and we're gonna give it some water. And always remember to use filtered water. And then I'm just gonna take the sunflower seeds and dump them all in. And then at this point, you just want to spread out the seeds. Try not to have these seeds grouped together, like in a, grouped together on top of each other as much as you can. These bigger seeds, sometimes it's easier for that to happen. That could just cause some issues during germination. So we just want to spread them out as best as we can. So something like that looks pretty good. And then the next step is go ahead and give it some water again. Again, give it a generous amount of water here. That way it'll start to sprout and germinate. And then you're gonna take a tray without holes and you're gonna place it on top and grab some weight. I like to use these pavers when I'm using the 10 by 10 trays. You could use a really heavy book or just a heavy rock, something that you have around, work just fine. And then this is gonna go into germination for 4 days. So you're gonna keep it like this. Don't remove the bricks, don't be peeking at your plants. Just leave it like this for 4 days. And then on the 4th day, you're gonna uncover it and introduce it to light, and then you're gonna start bottom watering your microgreens. And what I mean by bottom watering, if you wanna zoom in here, this bottom tray here, you're going to, see if I can lift it up here. You're gonna start watering underneath there. So these are gonna go into germination for 4 days with the bricks on top, and you'll actually, within those 4 days, you'll actually start seeing that top tray elevate as those microgreens are getting strong and pushing up the weight. That's like the best part. I think that is so cool. So then on day 4, you're gonna take the bricks off, you're gonna take that top tray off, and you're gonna introduce your microgreens to light, and you're gonna start bottom watering it. So you're gonna bottom water in this bottom tray here 1 to 2 times a day. So you will know when your sunflower shoots are ready to be harvested, when that true leaf starts coming out between cotyledon leaves. If you let it go any further than that, your sunflower shoots are gonna become a little more bitter tasting, and so you wanna stay away from that. I'm gonna set my tray on my rack in my grow room. So this is what I call my germination station, why my microgreens are germinating for 4 days. But you could totally just leave this on your kitchen table next to a windowsill or on your kitchen counter if you like. Now that I've showed you how to plant your sunflower shoots, now we're gonna harvest them. So you can harvest them a couple different ways. You can use kitchen scissors, or my favorite, which is I think they call this a produce knife. So that's what I'm gonna use today, but you can, I'll just show you, use scissors and clip them right off, just like that. So I am gonna show you how easy it is to use the knife. Okay, there you have it. So now you can store your microgreens in the fridge, in a glass container, or a Ziploc bag, and they'll last in your refrigerator up to 2 weeks. This is the end of the video. I hope that I was able to guide you through planting and growing sunflower shoots and how to harvest them. So like the video, remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you on the next video.